This is Annie from the QuickBooks team. Before you start, you'll need your federal and state ID numbers and your principal officer on hand to answer some questions. Note that if you use QuickBooks Online Payroll Core, you won't be able to pay and file your local city, county, and school district payroll taxes through QuickBooks. Let's go over how to set your tax and filing preferences. Go to Payroll, then Overview. From Let's Handle Your Taxes, select Start on Set Your Tax Preferences. QuickBooks is set to automatically pay and file your taxes and forms for you. If you want to pay and file your taxes yourself, select Change Payment and Filing Preference. Choose how you want your taxes and filings handled. You can change this preference later if you decide, except during January. Pay close attention to the date the change goes into effect to avoid any duplicate payments or filings. Select Next. Confirm or enter your federal and state tax ID numbers. If you still don't have these, you'll need to pay and file your taxes on your own until you provide them to QuickBooks. For the next section, you'll need your principal officer. First, make sure their first and last name is correct. Select Confirm. Next, enter the principal officer's mobile phone number. Select Continue. We'll send a security code to this number. Enter the code and select Confirm. You'll be asked a question associated with the principal officer. Choose the correct answer and select Continue. Now you're ready to e-sign your authorization forms. These forms allow us to pay and file your taxes for your business. To review each form, select the links provided. When you're ready, select the checkbox and then Done. Once you've completed these tasks, we'll send your info to the IRS and state agencies for enrollment, then notify you via email. Select Sounds Good. If you don't run payroll before the tax setup is done, you can see any follow-up tasks on the Overview page. If you run payroll before the tax setup is done, you can check your enrollment status in QuickBooks. Go to Payroll, then Overview. From Automate Taxes, select Finish Up. Here, you'll see the enrollment status for each tax. And if you have any follow-up tasks to finish, you can get to them from here. Until the tasks and enrollment are complete, you'll need to make any tax payments and file forms due to the agencies on your own. That's it. Now you're ready to set up your tax and filing preferences.